Let's begin creating the request for repairs form. If you need any assistance logging in into SIP forms, please refer to the listing agreement video. This section is where you access all of the forms for the transactions. Search for the request for repairs form and select the first option that appears. Minimize all of the forms tab and select the form you created. Step number 1 would be to number the form for the request for repairs with either a number or a letter. Enter the date the form is prepared. The property address, the buyer and seller's name might already been autofilled if you have already created a file for these clients. Step number 2, buyer's request. Under item number 1, select the letter option that applies to the property. Let's go over the options and steps to filling out the option that fits your buyer. Option A, check the box next to the letter A. If you're attaching a separate list, be sure to check the box and insert the date. Enter the list of repairs needed for the property, and if you need more space, add an addendum number 1 as part of the request for repairs number 1. Option B, request for termite work. Checkmark the termite sections 1 or 2 or both that you're requesting for the seller to complete. Date and enter the name of the termite company that issued the termite report. Note, most of the sellers complete only section 1 and section number 2 is usually optional. Option C, request for seller to credit the buyer money. Option D, if you will be requesting to reduce the sales price, enter the amount. Note, if the seller agrees to credit the buyer closing costs or a price reduction is agreed through a request for repairs form, an addendum to the purchase contract confirming these terms will be needed in addition to this request for repairs form. The purpose is to show the closing cost credit or price reduction granted to the escrow company and lender, since the request for repairs form is normally not shared with them. Under item number 2, be sure to checkmark and enter home inspection, appraisal, or any other report that supports the request above. Please review the form that all information is correct before assigning signatures and dating. The next section is for seller to respond to the request for repairs form and is to be filled out and completed by the seller. The last section applies only if the seller agreed to all of the buyer's requests mentioned above.